It's pretty exciting. It's like the same thing over and over, but it just gets harder every year, so I just have to learn a few more skills, and then I should be good. I can't wait for the rodeo if I win. I love the rodeo. Hopefully it's the same, back to how it's always been, and I can't wait to like promote the sport of rodeo and the Western lifestyle and be a role model to other people.
Anything else you would like to add, Ms. Locker?
I don't think so. Good luck to everyone, and I hope everyone has fun.
I want to win because I love to represent the sport of rodeo and love to interact with other little girls and boys and be a great role model for them and complete my journey to the road of 4 crowns.
My name is Reese Johnson, and I'm 6 years old. I live in Alcentra. I'm ready for the 2021 Brawley Little Miss. Hi, my name is Madeline Kopnick, and I'm 7 years old. I live in Calipatria. I want to run for Brawley 2021 Catacall because it looks fun. Hello, my name is Savannah Hernandez. I am 7 years old. I live in El Central. I am running for 2021 Brawley Catacall Little Miss.
Hi, my name is Stephanie Marica. My age is 10. I'm 10 years old. I live in California. I am running for junior cattle call. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Emerson Brandt, and I am 10 years old, and I live in Brawley, California. And the title that I'm running for is Catacall Junior.
Hi, my name is Emily Bariga. I'm 13 years old. I live in El Centro, and I'm running for Team Queen.
Hi, my name is Cheyenne Cox. I am 13 years old. I live in Imperial, California, and I am running for the 2021 Brawley Catacall Team Queen.
Hello, my name is Riley Locker. I'm 17 years old. I'm from El Centro, and I'm running for your 2021 Brawley Catacall Queen.